am the founder and CEO of QuantumTurf. It is an agriculture and technology company, and we are leveraging AI and cutting-edge technology to help lawn care companies accelerate their growth. Long story short, we are giving them actionable recommendations regarding the right product, right rate, right timing, and right place to be applied. And when I say product, I mean fertilizer, weed control, pest control, and water. And that's not it. We give them access to discounted products. We help them manage the business performance, and we enhance them with an AI agent to do their customer support and customer success, because these guys are very tired after a day spent under the sun. They don't have the energy to pick up the phone and call, hey, Mrs. Jones, how's your lawn looking like? I was there the last week. Yeah, and this is what we did.
This is awesome. This is a really nice niche that you found, and seems like a really interesting business. Are you operating nationwide or in particular geography?
Yes, that's a very good question. We are operating nationwide. Actually, I'm here in Austin, Texas right now. My partners are in Tennessee. So we are spread across the United States, and we are starting to getting customers from different states. So yes, we are operating nationwide. That's the beauty of the system that we put in place, that it is able to deliver customized turf management plans based on each and every location, going then granular into soil analysis and technicalities.
Super, super. So tell me, Stefan, how do videos help in your business?
Well, videos are very important, and probably not only for our business. Videos are important for people because they are a way to help others learn more, learn faster, and it's more interactive than a picture, than some text. It's a way of fast delivering knowledge and information. They are good also for marketing purposes and for other business activities like recording a demo, recording some progress that I want to share with the team or with our investors.
Amazing. So you use it for multiple purposes. You use Pictory for multiple things that you're
absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
So tell me, like, give me an example of a campaign or a project that you did with Pictory recently.
Mm-hmm. So the most recent project I had with Pictory is the demo video of our app for people to get a look and feel and to see how easy it is to use and what's the return of investment, what benefit they can get from using our product.
Amazing. Do you use what functions in Pictory do you use the most? This one sounds like you did a recording of the screen, and you may have used that. But what other functions of Pictory have you used?
Well, generating stories. So I have my script. I usually go for, let's say, 30 seconds video that I want to generate based on a story. I have the story in mind, and then make the script and implement the script. Then Pictory gives me images or videos that are stitched one to another to generate that video. And then I go finding similar pictures or similar images, similar videos to better express what I want to transmit in that video. And probably for myself, the most important functionality is the voiceover, because I am from Romania and my accent is not all the time very easy to understand for everybody. So that's why I'm looking for a voice that is native from here, from United States, and makes the message easier to understand.
Awesome, awesome. So it sounds like you use the text to video, the script to video functionality the most.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then do you also use your own visuals, or do you only use the stock videos that we have?
I'd say it's a blend of the stock videos, our videos, and pictures. And
amazing, amazing. Have you tried some of the other functions as well in Pictory?
yes, but not as much as the function from text to video.
Perfect, perfect, great. Let me ask you one other question. So how have you quantified the benefits of some of these videos, and are you able to share some of those benefits with us here?
Well, yeah, that's a very good question. Because we are a startup, we do the best we can to stretch the dollar. So I'm able to make these video clips very fast without having on the team a person specialized expert in marketing. So that is really helpful, because when you start counting the dollars, let's say it's not full-time employed, just project-based, it's still. And if you look at the end of the month, how much you pay for the app and how much would you pay just for one project, I'd say it's a lot of value. And if you consider that with each project, my experience gets better because I learn tips and tricks, how I can better take advantage of it. It takes less and less time each time.
Awesome. And have you been able to get new business based on these videos, or new leads, or have you been able to quantify like the sales benefits from it if you're using it for marketing and sales?
Yes, I noticed there are some people that are coming on our platform because of those videos, and I'm sure will be more to come when we will start promoting more our company, because right now everything we do is organic, based on the pipeline we are having, the connections. And yeah, we want first to see how some of our channels are performing, and then to start putting more money into marketing.
Where do you post these videos usually after you've created them? With
YouTube, and then we share those videos on all the platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram.
Okay, so you get the YouTube link and then you post them to other platforms. Okay, so you're also building a SEO presence by being on YouTube, because as you know, YouTube is the second biggest search engine.
Yes, sir.
After Google, yeah. How were you doing videos before, Stefan, or were you doing videos at all before Pictory?
Well, I wasn't. I wanted to, but it's very complicated to talk in front of a camera, to talk and to be able to deliver a current and informative message. And with these videos, my objective is to keep it as short as possible, usually 30 seconds, maximum 1 minute, and deliver as much content and as much information as possible. Don't get into the weeds, because sometimes people just turn their phone, start recording, and they get into the weeds with the message. And I didn't want something like that.
Yeah. You wanted more crisp, more to the point message.
Yes.
And
Yes.
do that. Okay. Awesome. If you meet other entrepreneurs or people similar to you in a startup journey, and you're going to tell them about Pictory, what would you say to them?
I would say to them that they can get a fractional marketing person in their team with a fraction of the cost.
Okay. Love it. That's great. That's really good. I mean, that's kind of, you talked about AI agents and how you're providing it for customers, and this is kind of our view of an AI agent. It's part of the marketing team here.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. Keep going with what you're doing, and thank you for providing this service.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Stefan.